Good morning. It's about 4 a.m. I'm in Missouri. I'm about to leave and head toward Texas. But look at what I woke up to this morning. So the cold and the ice have a beauty all of their own. The tips of my fingers are about to go numb. But check out how pretty this is at 4 a.m. in southeast Missouri. And check out this moon. It's interesting. I have mixed feelings about leaving today. I'm excited. It feels like a new adventure, but I'm also a little bit sad to be leaving Misty. My intention with the video that I'm about to show you was not to be silly, was not to be bloopers. It was to do a serious tour of my van and to show you where everything is stored and the things that I pack and brought with me that I thought were important. But this video didn't turn out like that at all. I got really discombobulated. Like, I haven't quite settled into this whole van life thing yet. Like, I'm working on it, but I still need to be a little bit more organized. And once I get there, then I'll shoot the tour of how the van is organized and how everything works. But for now, this is what I ended up with. Shit. That was a little tighter than I remember. All right, that could have went quite a bit smoother. All right, let's keep trying this. I'm an expert camper. I had a soft spot over there. Oh my God, so what I want to do is show kind of the whole van setup and where I meant to do that. I have my pink tool bag, my rubber mallet for pounding down my stakes when I put the awning out. That would have come in handy a few minutes ago. And I made B-roll. You know I have no idea what I'm doing, right? Then do I want? This might be a problem. All right, so we're gonna do, how about a breakfast taco this morning? Oh my God, this is so bad. I'm totally editing all that out. I am so laughing at myself right now, and I'm so a little bit rattled. I'm a little bit worried about my pan sliding off. Sliding off the edge. That reminds me when I was like shooting and I dropped the camera and I'm like, I'm an expert YouTuber. This whole video could end up just being like a blooper type video, the rate I'm going. This is gonna test my editing skills to the max. Oh my God, this is hideous. Maybe I'll do my own cooking show. I need a spoon. Here I go. I think I dribbled jalapeno juice in the van. It's gonna be so good. Okay, a couple of tortillas in here warming up. Sharing the space with the beans. And the cheese and the eggs. Okay, maybe I only have room for one at a time. All right, that's a little messy. This is not how I planned this video to go at all. It's not quite, the beans aren't quite warm. This fell on the ground. There, that's better. I think I'm starting to get the hang of this now. No, I'm not. The one that fell on the ground, or do you want the one that was still in the skillet? Alrighty, my plate's sliding off. Now what do I do? Okay. Oh God, it's gonna be a really good breakfast. And breakfast is served. Let's eat. It has a bunch of rocks. I like to look for rocks that are shaped like the letters L-O-V-E. And when I find them, I line them up and I call them love rocks. So I got the idea for the love rocks from my friend Rob, who lives in Portland, Oregon. He's a musician. He also calls I guess his stage name is Big Water. So anyway, he has a collection of love rocks from all over the world, and I kind of copied him. I thought it was a cool idea. So I don't always collect them and take them home, but I at least find them and lay them out for someone else to find. And it reminds me that love really does rock. Thank you for watching. Thanks for being part of my journey. You keep watching. I'll keep posting content. Remember to like and subscribe. That helps me out a lot. And I'll try to do better next time.